Welcome to a journey inside one of nature's most astonishing architectural and social marvels, the beehive. It's a world of intricate design and collective genius. Far from being just a simple home, a beehive stands as a profound testament to natural engineering and complex social organization. At its very heart lies the honeycomb, a structure universally renowned for its perfect geometry and incredible efficiency. The hexagonal shape of each cell is not arbitrary. It's a brilliant evolutionary solution for achieving maximum structural strength while utilizing the minimum amount of wax material. This ingenious design allows bees to store vast quantities of honey and pollen efficiently, creating a robust and stable foundation for their entire colony. Beyond its structural genius, the beehive boasts an extraordinary thermoregulation system, maintaining a remarkably stable internal temperature year-round. In the scorching heat of summer, worker bees diligently fan their wings at the hive's entrance, creating a natural air conditioning system to cool the interior. Conversely, during the frigid winter months, they huddle closely together, shivering their flight muscles to generate vital heat, keeping the queen and developing brood warm. This precise temperature control is absolutely vital for the healthy development of young bees and the long-term preservation of their precious honey stores. But the marvel doesn't stop there. Bees communicate through an incredibly intricate language, most famously exemplified by the waggle dance. When a scout bee discovers a rich and abundant food source, she returns to the hive and performs this remarkable, highly specific dance. The precise direction and duration of her waggle convey critical information about both the distance and the exact direction of the nectar or pollen source. This sophisticated form of communication ensures the entire colony can efficiently forage, locate resources, and ultimately thrive. Together, these individual bees function as a single, highly cohesive unit, often referred to by scientists as a superorganism. Each bee within the colony has a specific, vital role, from foraging and nursing to guarding the hive and constructing new comb, all contributing to the colony's survival. Their collective intelligence and perfectly coordinated efforts allow them to adapt seamlessly to environmental challenges and maintain their intricate society. From the precise geometry of their homes to their complex communication systems, beehives are truly unparalleled wonders of the natural world. They serve as a powerful reminder of the incredible ingenuity, efficiency, and interconnectedness found within our diverse ecosystems. Next time you encounter a bee, take a moment to truly appreciate the extraordinary engineering and social harmony it represents. It's a tiny creature, yet a master architect and a vital part of our planet's delicate balance.